Greetings, powerhouses, and welcome. All right, today's principle is a juicy one because it's on decision making. How do you know what to do, when to do, and even if to do? Well, there is an ideal version of yourself. When you think about all that you're aspiring to, all that you want to create in business, all that you want to be in life, there is an ideal version, an ideal picture that you have. When you're unsure about what to do and if to do something, you can tap into that vision and you can see if whatever behavior you're considering is in alignment with that vision. Now, sometimes this is not always easy to apply, but it's a very simple thing that you can rely on for guidance. Simply think about your ultimate code of conduct, the ideal version of you, and what values that ideal version has, the ideal version of you and what things that it ultimately would accomplish in life. And then when you come back to the decision, figure out if I do this now or if I don't do this, which one is most congruent with that ideal vision? This simple question and this tuning in will never lead you astray. Now, of course, this is much easier said than done, as are all of the principles that we talk about. And if you're not already working with one of our great coaches, reach out to us at www.interaxis.net so you can expand your support team and actually put in place practices like this one. But in the meantime, on your own, anytime you're conflicted, confused, or you're debating with your own self, should I do this? Or is this something to let go? Is this even worth my time? Take a minute to tune in and ask, what would my ideal self do? If the answer is yes, and if the answer is that after doing this, I'm going to feel better about myself, you know what to do. So on behalf of myself, the Genie, and the entire Interaxis team, much love, many blessings, peace. Remember to tune in and ask, what would your ideal self do? And we'll talk to you soon.